What's up, Yanks? Today I'm going to be showing you a huge snowstorm. Or not huge, but a snowstorm anyway. Yeah, I don't have school today because school is canceled because of this storm. It's about a foot tall. I'm going to show you. See? Yeah, we might have school off tomorrow too because this might last a while. And we're supposed to have another snowstorm Monday and then just a snowy day on Tuesday. So yeah, and I'm just waiting for something to load on my game. WWE 12. Yeah, and after this video, I'm gonna be posting a video on a match in this game. So yeah, I'll be doing that. So make any comments on this video about the snowstorm and what you think and stuff like that. So peace out, Yanks.